Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete Snapchat account. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat application. To start, you have to launch or open your Snapchat, and then here you have to tap on your profile at the top left corner. Here what you're going to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and it will take you directly to the settings of your Snapchat. On settings, you will see here different options, but what you're going to do is you have to scroll down till you see the delete option here on Snapchat. So what you're going to do is you have to tap on delete account, and it will take you directly to another page, or it will let you open your account to any web browser. So once you tap this, you will have your option. For me, I'd like to choose to open my Snapchat on Google web browser. So once it takes me to the Google web browser, I have to make sure that I'm also currently logged in here. If not, then I need to sign in using my Snapchat account, my email, my phone number, and my password. So once you are logged in, then you should see this one right here, delete account. It will show you this message, and all you have to do is to review everything here. Now, once you are decided to delete your account or delete your Snapchat account, all you need to do is to confirm your name right here and then enter your password. Once you have entered your password, then what you're going to do next is tap on continue. And that's how you basically delete your Snapchat account. You have to take note that you have 30 days to reactivate your account. If you cannot reactivate it within 30 days, and then your account will be deleted permanently. And that's how to delete Snapchat account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.